Hey guys, welcome back, and today we're here at Toyota and we are sitting in the Baleno. Oh, sorry, I'm sorry. It's the Toyota Glanza, and we're going to explain to you the instrument cluster right in front of us. So without any further ado, let's get straight into that. So let's switch this on. What you need to do is click the start button twice. What you see in front of you is a clock. Right now the time and the date is wrong, so it's telling us to switch on the ignition, but we are just going to leave it on like this. So how you need to change, now you don't have steering mounted controls to control the cluster in front of you. What you have is two sticks over here from which you can control this. So the right hand one is what is going to change the displays in the center. So what you can see right now in front of us is your average speed, basically kilometers per hour. It is basically when you drive, you'll have bars coming up and down. You also have your driving time, so which will be displayed down. So it's showing 2 hours 9 minutes and 37 seconds, but actually we haven't been driving that long. Below that you have P, so right now the car is in P, so that will change depending on where your gear shifter is. So R, N, D, so that will change. You also have trip on the right hand side bottom over here. It is showing 42.2 kilometers and the total car driven is 42 kilometers. So now on the top you have your time and your temperature. That is your exterior temperature, which is showing 26 degrees right now. So let's press the right stick right here. So if you press it once, it takes you to your time. So this is basically your time and your date. And you press it once more, and this shows you your torque and power figures. So basically when you accelerate, you'll have like lights glowing around the circular dials right there. And then this is if you want to have nothing displayed on the screen in front of you, then you hit it once more. This will show you your average fuel consumption, which is showing 11.1 kilometers per liter, and it shows you with the fuel that we have right now in the car, it will take us to 51 kilometers of range. Then it takes you back again to this and here. So now let me show you what the other side of the button does. So and if you want to reset it, as I just did right now, is you need to long press on this. So that's how you do that. Then the left hand side of this is to make your trip 0. So as you can see right now, it's showing 42.2. so there are two trips, A and B. So this is A, click it once, this is B. If you want to reset that, you long press on this and it should reset. Yes, and it is 0.00. So this is basically what is there on the instrument cluster of the Glanza. What else you have is you have it's a analog style dials. You have your speed on this side and your tachometer on this side, and yeah, it's a pretty basic layout actually. Below that you have your fuel on this side and your temperature, engine temperature on the other side. So this is pretty much what is there on the Toyota Glanza.